Hello guys, this is Adam from ESA. Welcome to Huaida Spring Machinery Limited Corporations. Our company is located in the company's production base, Dalingshan Town, Dongguan Hua Province, China. The purpose of our company is to improve the quality of the research and development, quality service to maintain the positive interaction with customers and provide a complete from pre-sales to after-sales systems. And today it's my great honor to be here and make a tour guide about our company. So without further ado, let's get started.
Our company has established a quality management system in accordance with ISO 9001 and other standards. The products have passed CE and other certifications. The main products are versatile CNC Spring Machine, Spring Coiling Machine, Wire Forming Machine, Cutting Tools.
Now let's move to our factory. And in the next part, I will introduce 3 different kinds of major bending machines to you.
The machine is rotary head 3D wire bending machine, which adopts industrial special computer control system, teaching programming, easy to learn and easy to use. Servo motor imported from Japan, has high stability. This machine has 6 servo motors. It is suitable for 8.0 to 16.0 mm wire range product bending forming. Widely used in auto parts, springs, kitchen bathroom hardware, supermarket trolleys, and other industries. The machine is 3D wire rotary bending machine with 10 axes, which suitable for 3.0 to 10.0 mm wire range. The wire feed balls can be moved back and forth to shorten the distance between the wire and the bending head, and the product forming is more stable. There is enough space for forming of larger and longer products. This machine's outer bend head can lift it and lower it separately. Inner bend head, mold core, doesn't move. An outer torsion head, bending head, can be lifted and lowered separately when changing direction. The wire doesn't need to separate from inner torsion head, and the bending and forming is more stable. The machine is multi-function 3D wire bending machine with 10 axes which suitable for 2.0 to 10.0 mm wire range. It is widely used in auto parts, springs, kitchen and bathroom hardware, supermarket carts, shelves, storage cages, pet cages, and other industries. Machine production step is wire cut, then robot gripping to bend, turns bending function, suitable for small wire with complete shaped products. This machine has left and right offset of head function. It can be bent and formed at one time below R30. No need to bend multiple times. Stable and efficiency. Powerful functions and a wider range of adaptability. Higher performance 30% than 8-axis machine. Equipped with lathes, grinders, wire cutting machines, CNC numerical control processing machines, drilling machines, and etc. It can produce various grades of machine accessories. All production staff have more than 5 years of production experience. The annual production capacity is more than 1,000 machines.
This is our commissioning room. All the machines will be tested before leaving the factory. We will make corresponding tests for different models.
Our engineers will program the machine settings according to the product drawings so that the machine can produce products that meet customer requirements. Last but not least, if you have any inquiry, please feel free to contact us in any time. Thank you.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.